In this video, I'll show you how you can join streamers or YouTubers in Roblox. Now first you want to download this called Restore Old Roblox Server List. Don't worry, it's safe. You can see there's already 100,000 users. You want to type this in Google, go to the Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome. Now once that is done, you want to reload your page. Come up here. If you cannot find it, simply click on this and pin it in here. Then you want to press auto search and you want to find the streamer or the YouTuber's player username. You can simply do that by going to the profile. I just have a random person in here, but I'll just take their profile. I'm going to copy it and put it in here. Then what you want to do is head over to the game that they're playing. Let's say you're watching the streamer now and you can see they're currently playing VR Hangout. I want to press on VR Hangout, press on servers and let the extension load. Now after it's done loading, it will look like this. If it's not looking like this, just give it some time. If it's a much bigger server, it will take more time. Then you want to simply look for the person in one of these and press join. Now you can also press this search button right here and make sure the character here is correctly. Do that and it will look for them. Now obviously this person is not online, but I'm just using it as an example. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.